but inside my heart was empty. My eyes were sorrow stone. Then I heard the word that lit up every dark. There's a place for you, step by step, in God's plan. Strong women break down every night they live through. The true strength is service, not a restless fight. I stand with him, he stands with me, in the garden's right time. My hands bring warmth, my voice eases fear. In my husband's eyes I see gratefulness so dear. My strength is love, God's order true. With my husband's arm we build our little world anew. Oh, I know who I am, pearls gathered and grown. In his plan fulfilled, he makes tomorrow feel like home. With my heart for our home, for us two, in unity, in harmony, I bloom. They call it old-fashioned, like it's out of time, but the truth in my heart runs deep like living rivers line. God's ways are a compass, leading me to where I belong. At my husband's side I find my place, my song. No confusion, no chaos, in God's harmony. He is my head, I am his strength, building him continually. Oh, my strength is love, God's order true. With my husband's arm we build our